like a river, like a river.
Good day, everyone. Today, as I will discuss all about what is research, definition, methods, types, and examples. So let's start. What is research? A careful consideration of study regarding a particular concern or problem using scientific methods. According to the American psychologist Earl Robert Bobby, research is a systematic endeavor to describe, explain, predict, and cannot be observed phenomenon. So, inductive research methods are used to analyze and observe event. Deductive methods are used to verify the observed event. Inductive approaches are associated with qualitative research, and deductive methods are more commonly associated with quantitative research. So, research is conducted with a purpose to understand. First, what do organization or business really want to find out? What are the processes that need to be followed to chase the idea? What are the arguments that need to be built around the concept? What is the evidence that will be required for people to believe in the idea or the concept? Characteristic of research. There are 7 characteristics of research. First is a system to be followed for accurate data. Rules and procedures are an integral part of the process that set to the objective. Researchers need to practice ethics and a code of conduct while making observation or drawing conclusions. The second is the research is based on logical reasoning and involves both inductive and deductive methods. The data or knowledge that is derived in the real time from actual observation in natural settings. So fourth, there is an in-depth analysis of the data collection so that there are no anomalies associated with it. Research creates a path for generating new questions, accepting data helps create more appropriate for research. So research is the analytical in nature. It makes us of all is available data so that there is no ambiguity in the inference. So lastly is the accuracy is one of the most important aspects of research. The information that is obtained should be accurate and true to its nature. What are the types of research? So following are the types of research methods. Basic research, applied research, problem-oriented research, and the problem-solving research. Qualitative research, quantitative research. This is the following are the types of research method. And the last is the online survey questionnaires and polls are referable data collection tools used in the quantitative research. The following are the methods using for qualitative research. One-to-one interview, focus groups, ethnographic research, content or text analysis, case study research. Learn more about what is quantitative research. So what is purpose of research? There are the three purposes of research. First, the exploratory. As the name suggests, exploratory research is conducted to explore a group of questions. The answer and analytics may not offer a final conclusion to review problem. Next is the descriptive, focuses on expanding knowledge on current issue through a process of data collection. The third is the explanatory. Explanatory research or the causal research is conducted to understand the impact of the certain changes in existing standard procedures. What is quantitative research? So what is the purpose of the research? There are the three purposes of research. To understand the characteristic of research design using research purpose, here is an comparative analysis. So research, the first column is the research approach used. Second, research conducted through and when it is conducted. So the exploratory research is unstructured, asking research question, early stages of decision making, and the descriptive research is the structured, asking research question, and later stage of decision making. And the exploratory research is highly structured by using research hypotheses and the later stage of decision making. Learn more about primary research, example, methods, and purpose. Research method is defined as the tools or the instruments used to apply the goals and attributes of study. Research begins by asking the right questions and choosing an appropriate method to investigate the problem. So types of research method and research example. Research method broadly classified as qualitative and quantitative. Both methods have distinctive properties and data collection method. Qualitative method. Qualitative research is a method that collects data using conversational method. Participants are asked open-ended questions. Types of qualitative methods include one-to-one interview. This interview is conducted with one participant as the begin point in time. Focus group. Focus group are small group comprising of around 6 to 10 participants who are usually expert in the subject matter. Ethnographic research is an in-depth form of research where people are observed in their natural environment. Without this method is demanding due to the necessity of the researcher entering a national environment of another people. Text analysis is a little different from another qualitative methods as it is used to analyze social construct by decoding words through any available form in the documentation. Case study research is used to study an organization of entity. Quantitative research method. There are three methods that are often used by the researcher: survey research, descriptive research, correlational research. And the survey research is the ultimate goal of survey research is to learn about a large population by deploying a survey. Okay, next is descriptive research. As a method which is identifies the characteristic of an observed phenomenon and collect more information. And the uh, and the identifying research methodology to those the appropriate types of research you need to clearly identify the objective. Find out the needs of your clients. Know their references and understand what is important to them. Find an appropriate way to make your customers aware of your products and services. Find ways to improve your products or service to suit the needs of your customer. A well-organized customer research process produces valid, accurate, reliable, timely, and complete results that rigorously reflect the opinions and needs of your clients who will help you grow your sales and improve your operations. So set your goals, consider the client activities and define those that identify with yours. Make sure that you set SMART goals and objectives. Do not resume the results of your surveys. Plan your research. Good planning allows the use of creative and logical approaches to select the methods that gather the most accurate information. Collect and your result. Make a list of how you are going to carry out the research process. The data you need to collect and collection methods, they will help you keep track of your processes and make sense of your findings. So the customer research activity, the necessary data, the methods for data collection, the step to follow your data analysis. It is important to obtain information about how the collection of customer information was carried out and to ensure that your data is valid, founded, logical, rigorous, and impartial. Accurate, free, and errors and including required details. Reliable, that can be reproduced by other people who investigate in the same way. Timely, current, and collect within an appropriate time frame. Complete includes all the data you need to support your business discussion. Analysis and understand your research. Analysis of data can vary from simple and direct steps to technical and complex process. Keep the findings ready. Choose a spreadsheet that all allows you to easily enter your data. So review and interpret the information to draw conclusions. When you have gathered all the data, you can scan your information and interpret it to draw conclusions and make informed decisions. You should review the data and then identify the main idea and issue. Keep track of the frequency with which of the main finding appears and evaluate a list of the strengths and weaknesses as SWOT analysis. Choose some strategies that will help you improve your business. Act on your strategies. Look for gaps in the information and Consider doing additional research if necessary. Plan to review the result of the research and consider efficient strategies to analyze and dissect the result of the interpretation. Thank you.
I see your monsters, I see your pain. Tell me your problems, I'll chase them.